plants lovers, welcome to my channel, where we dive deep into the amazing world of herbs. I am Lori M. Humawan, and I'm so excited to share my passion for all things herbal with you. Get ready to learn about the benefits, uses, and stories behind these natural wonders. Subscribe and join the Green Revolution. Let's dive the five amazing herbal plants. So first we have Pipanyawan. Have scientific name Tinospora rumfi. Panyawan, also known as makabuhay. This vine is often called the miracle plant because of its strong bitter taste and powerful healing properties. It's widely used for treating fever, infection, and even diabetes. It also helps in boosting the immune system and promoting wound healing. Next, we have malunggay. Have scientific name Moringa oleifera. The tree of life. This fast-growing tree is packed with nutrients, making it a superfood. The leaves are rich in vitamin A, C, and iron, helping to boost the immune system, lower blood sugar, and improve lactation in mothers. Malunggay contains more vitamin C than oranges and more calcium than milk. Up next, we have luyang dilaw or turmeric, a well-known spice and medicinal root. It's a bright yellow rhizome often used in cooking and traditional medicine. It has anti-inflammatory properties, aids digestion, and is great for joint pains. Plus, it helps prevent certain disease due to its antioxidant content. The active compound in turmeric, calcium, is what gives curry its yellow color and is also powerful natural dye. Our fourth plant is lagundi. Lagundi had a scientific name, Vitex negondo, trusted herbal remedy for cough and respiratory problems. This shrub is famous for its aromatic leaves, commonly used in herbal medicine. It helps relieve cough, asthma, and fever, and is even recognized by the Department of Health as an effective natural medicine. In the Philippines, Lagundi is a popular alternative to commercial cough syrups, and it's even proceed into tablets and teas. Last one we have Primna adorata, also known as bilabila, an underrated but powerful medicinal plant. This shrub has fragrant leaves and is often used in traditional medicine. It's known for treating stomach problems, colds, and even rheumatism. The leaves are also used in herbal baths for relaxation. Some indigenous groups believes that bilabila can ward off bad spirits and negative energy. And that's it, the five herbal plants. It's not only natural remedies but also traditional knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.